Good morning, everyone. It's Catherine from my hillside garden. I wanted to come to you today to talk to you about saving seeds. We just look at these beautiful Johnny Jump Up pansies, even though there is a weed in the container. I've also started a black zucchini in here. But these beautiful pansies came up on their own. So technically they're a weed, but this is the kind of weeds I like. So I'll continue to let that grow there, and some of the seed heads, see right here, I'll save and I'll just sprinkle around the yard, and hopefully some will grow again in this container for next year. But really the main reason, look at this gorgeous head of lettuce. Yes, there's purslane in here. This is considered a weed, but you can eat it. It's got a lot of vitamins in it, and it's one of the best sources, I believe, of omega-3s. I have a girlfriend that loves it, so I always save it for her, and she enjoys it very much. I've also begun to add it into my salad mixes. But what I really wanted to talk to you today about is this gorgeous lettuce. This is a weed. I didn't put it here, just like the pansies, but I let it grow. I'm sure I grew this lettuce at one time. I have no idea which kind it is, but it has done perfect here in this particular spot. So what I'll do is I'll end up harvesting the last bit of leaves, and then I'm going to let it go to seed. It's just one way to pick what it is you want to grow in your garden and not spend any extra money. It will take up a little bit of space, and I did put a zucchini, I put a zucchini seed in here, and it hasn't come through yet. So there may be a little bit too much competition, but that's okay. I can put a zucchini seed someplace else. I have a couple of more pots available to me to do that in. Please excuse the noise. That's my neighbor. He vacuums his lawn 3 times a day. That's all I'm going to say about that. But I just wanted to show you this gorgeous weed that I have growing in my garden, that I'm going to continue to grow in my garden until I can collect the seeds from it. Thank you for joining me for this short visit in my garden. I hope you have a great day. Happy gardening.